this year's podcasts are sponsored by AmericanUrdu.tv. And next to me is Abdullah Shahid, the director for Hot Soup. And Hot Soup was submitted to Rang Film Festival this year. It's going through the review process, and we're going to be doing the awards later tonight. So, Abdullah, let's talk about Hot Soup, right? I think the Hot Soup has a very hot topic of Desis meeting in America. And then starting the marriage question and the courtship and the dating and all that. So before I start assuming, is it like something relatable to you? Or?
I mean, not like I've not been in that situation, but I think everyone my age is like going through something like it. Like, aage piche shaadiyan ho rahi hain, people are getting married. I've told my parents like they want to get married, and like I'm aware of their wishes, and like there's like, the constant, old generation, new generation kind of divide and dissonance, and then some people try to like bring it together. How does that happen? What's like quote unquote halal dating in America? What is dating like for Pakistanis? What's dating like for Muslims? These are all like questions I think are interesting and prevalent to everyone. So,
great. तो थोड़ा सा अपना इस प्रोजेक्ट का प्रोसेस बताओ. Where did the idea come from? How did you get the resources together, the casting, and so on and so forth?
This is part of my I'm doing my MFA at NYU, so it was my final film for my first year. So I made it for that, and it was shot in New York. It was a very, very cheap film, which I'm actually very proud of, because there's no money, so I have to make everything very cheaply. So it started from this idea of like, what can I do? Like, I have, let's say, one apartment and I have 2 actors. What can I make with them? So it started off that way, and then I had a bunch of different ideas. None of them were that interesting. None of them were that feasible either. And my professors really felt that they weren't very personal either, and they wanted me to kind of explore something that was a lot more personal in some ways. So I did for one of my classes, I did a small exercise that was similar to this idea, and that was really kind of enjoyable and interesting to work with. And especially coming to America, I wanted to do something that was primarily in Urdu and English, which is kind of like how we talk, you know. So I was trying to like mix languages.
English
is it's our version of that. So I really want to do something with language and like how we constantly code switch. And then I had this idea of like, how do people, and then a lot of this comes from like friends of mine who've like dated and like who have been gone through the process, and like a lot of the lines are taken from like friends of mine who've said similar things. So like I can't take writing credit. I'm just like stealing from my friends, and so
अगर award मिल गया तो फिर उन सबको पैसे देने
पड़ेंगे. And so that was part of it, and then I wanted to cast actors who would bring some experience into it. And what was difficult was finding really good Urdu speaking people in New York. It was quite hard because कोई मतलब कि Americanized Urdu बोले, the film doesn't work, मजा नहीं आता. So फिर like I found Waleed, who's a great actor. He's also a friend of mine. And then Isha is not even Pakistani, she's Indian. But she did such a good job, and we worked on the script. They're like small things. Hindi Urdu में फर्क है, तो she had to work on like थोड़ा बहुत करना पड़ता है, हल्का फुल्का करना पड़ता है. And then she's like now in my second film as well, because I had such a good time working with her. And that's how it came about. And the resources were like, the crew was everyone from my program, the equipment we got from NYU, the house even was a Pakistani guy who was like wanted to like pitch in and help and support. So he was willing to give it to me for free, but he runs an NGO, and he was like, if you donate to the NGO, I'll just give it to you. So it was a very community effort. I was very happy with that.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
तो फिर ये बताओ अब्दुल्ला कि ये हमारे कल्चर में, हमारी फैमिली सिस्टम के अंदर ऐसा होता तो नहीं है कि कोई पेरेंट्स डिसाइड करते हैं कि हमारा बच्चा बड़ा होकर फिल्में बनाएगा, ठीक है? तो बहुत स्ट्रगल करनी पड़ी या
नहीं? I've been very, very lucky. My parents are very, very supportive. I'm also the youngest, so I have that privilege.
कुछ ना कुछ कर
लेते. मेरे 2 बड़े बहन भाई हैं who are doing things they want to do.
सारी उम्मीदें वहाँ हो गई.
But हाँ, वो सारे पैसे वैसे वो बना रहे हैं, वही बचा रहे, दोनों मिलके मेरी NYU ट्यूशन भर रहे हैं. तो I'm like very spoiled. I'm very, very spoiled, and I'm very grateful. And my parents have been like very मतलब कि जब मैं स्कूल में था तो there was a lot of लाइक लड़ाई होती थी अम्मा पापा के साथ कि मैंने फिल्म बनानी है और वो लाइक फिजिक्स पढ़ो केमिस्ट्री पढ़ो वगैरह मैं नहीं पढ़ना बट देन आई गॉट इनटू लाइक अ गुड स्कूल फॉर अंडरग्रेड एंड दे वर लाइक चलो थोड़ा बहुत जो कर रहा है करने दो उसको एंड फिर मैं लगा रहा बट देन आई वाज वेरी अवेयर कि दिस इज नॉट अ वेरी वायबल करियर ऑप्शन तो लाइक आई डिड अदर थिंग्स आई वाज अ टीचर इन पाकिस्तान तो आई वर्कड इन एडवर्टाइजिंग आई वर्कड इन कॉलेज काउंसलिंग तो आई वाज डूइंग अदर थिंग्स टू मेक मनी but then फिर NYU में दाखिला हो गया and then my parents you know they understand the value of good education so they're very supportive.
I think this tide is shifting.
Yeah, absolutely.
With our Pakistani Indian parents accepting the fact कि भाई और भी careers हैं या अगर कुछ करने ही देना है तो वो करने दो जो वो करना चाहते हैं.
I think the other issue also is कि like जो थोड़ा सा था कि everybody needs to be doctors, engineers, lawyers. वो क्राउड अभी तक है बट लाइक लोगों को नजर आ रहा है पाकिस्तान में लाइक डॉक्टर्स आर अनएम्प्लॉयड इंजीनियर्स आर अनएम्प्लॉयड देर लाइक ये उतना खास लाइक द इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान लाइक देर लाइक देयर इज नो नेसेसरीली लाइक नो स्टेबिलिटी इन दिस जॉब्स एनीमोर सो माइट एज वेल लाइक यू नो एंड पीपल आर मेकिंग मनी ऑफ इंस्टाग्राम ऑफ टिकटॉक देर लाइक क्या पता कुछ हो ही जाए आई डोंट नो इफ अगर वो मेहनत लगे रहे तो यू नो या
जबरदस्त. So what's up and coming अब्दुल्ला? हॉट सूप के बाद क्या
अभी
मंचूरियन बनेगी?
It's true. Like my film before this was called Catfish, and so like मेरे सारे खाना
culinary journey है.
Yeah. So I keep making food-based films. अभी I'm working on another film, जो also from my program. So I'm in the post-production process. It's like editing. अभी in a month we have our showcase in New York. तो वो है. उसके अलावा I want to make. I always have wanted to make films in Pakistan. अभी तो because I'm studying here तो New York बन रहे हैं. तो I'm hoping to find funding for a short film that I want to do as my thesis back home in Pakistan. तो भी ये plan है. Working on a feature. तो उम्मीद है कि like as short films hopefully get into more festivals. People are interested in like coming on board and like funding a feature. तो ये चल रहा है अभी आजकल.
जबरदस्त. पहली बार आए हो हम दूसरी बार कर रहे हैं तो कैसा लगा फेस्टिवल के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
It's wonderful, it's beautiful. I know कि South Asian spaces वैसे ही बहुत limited हैं and I do think like you know Indian cinema is very is amazing and it is prevalent but we don't have many Pakistani specific spaces so I'm really glad that this one is emerging so strongly and so well in like just in 2 years so I'm really happy. It's nice to see Pakistani voices on screen especially in America and the you know working in Pakistan like Pakistan में फिल्म बनाना बहुत मुश्किल काम है. It's like a million miracles need to happen before you make a film. तो अगर आपने बना ली फिल्म एंड देन उसके आगे आप दिखाओ कहाँ पर यू नो स्क्रीन्स नहीं है द यूनिवर्सिटीज में दिखा लेते हो आप यू हैव टू डू योर ओन स्क्रीनिंग
फेस्टिवल्स के कॉन्सेप्ट
फेस्टिवल्स के नहीं है दिस लाइक यू नो आई वर्कड ऑन अ फेस्टिवल टीवी फिल्म फेस्टिवल इन पाकिस्तान तो लाइक इट्स वन ऑफ द फ्यू तो स्पेशली इफ यू कैन गेट इट ऑल द वे टू अमेरिका इफ यू कैन गेट इट प्लेड इन टेक्सास यू नो इफ यू कैन गेट प्लेड फॉर द डायस्पोरा दैट्स अमेजिंग लाइक तो जो पाकिस्तान से फिल्में आई हैं ऑफ कोर्स डायस्पोरा इज अमेजिंग नो डाउट बट आई एम रियली यू नो personally invested in like Pakistani films shot in Pakistan being played all over the world. So this is one great platform for that.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I hope you're having a good time and we'll definitely stay in touch. Or
I hope I'll be back for years to come.
नहीं तुम आओ नहीं आओ हम बुलाएंगे.
चलो जबरदस्त.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.